Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable ambient light effects for incoming calls on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now just scroll down and tap on dynamic effects and tap on ambient light effects, and from here just select where you want to see the ambient light effects. You can choose between always on display or on screen display. Now just enable always on display to enable the ambient light effects on the always on display, or you can enable on screen and it will show the ambient light effects when the screen is on. Now just scroll down and make sure you enable incoming calls. Now just tap on light effects for incoming calls, and from here just select the light effect you like. Just like that. Now once you select the light effect you like, you can tap on color to change the color of the ambient light, just like that. If you tap on transparency, you can increase or decrease the transparency of the ambient light, just like that. And if you tap on width, you can change the width of the ambient light. Just like that. Now just tap on apply. Now go back, and this is how you can enable ambient light effects for incoming calls on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.